We have a John Deere. I've kind of lifted it up so I don't have to bend down so far. We had a belt that broke. See, it's just flopping right here. And also while you're working on this, drop your mower deck down so that there's more room for you to work. What we're going to do is we're going to take these shields off real quick. There's a lot of grass in here, so we're going to take this shield off. So we ended up removing, there's a 10mm bolt right here, there's one here, and there's one back here. So we got all 3 of those out. We can take this shield off, and holy shit. And as we take that shield off, right up for any grass in here. Shield on the other side. And while we're over here, we're just gonna take this chute off of here. We probably don't need to, but we'll just get it out of the way. There's only 2 bolts holding this one in. You can see there's just a ton of grass here as well. So we're gonna clean off. What we're gonna do is we have to loosen up this pulley right here. We're gonna take this off. Once we get this off, we can get the belt through there. So now after you got that bolt off, you're gonna push down here with your thumb and push up. And it might take quite a bit of force. And then that's gonna come up. And we can guide that through that pulley. Put it back down. Tighten that back down. Be careful when you're my finger came across here. This is actually pretty sharp. And as you can see, I have a Band-Aid on that. It ripped me open. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now we have it all aligned. It's gone through all of our pulleys. So right now it looks loose, engage it. And then that's gonna tighten it up. And that's what's gonna spin our blade, so that's tight again. Okay, disengage it. And then, now that's loose, and our blades won't spin. So now we've gotten both of those shields back on, the belt's back in place. And now we're tightening up the chute here. Now after we've gotten all of that put back together, make sure you got all your tools. You want to make sure you don't leave like any sockets or anything underneath those guards. Otherwise they'll whip around and wreck your belt. We're gonna start to drop this. As you can see, here's my foot. Here's a huge pile of grass that was up inside there. So we're gonna lower this. Make sure to release it slowly. And then we'll go to the back. Now we've jacked this up just a little bit. We're gonna pull these out. Sorry, that was too low. Lower this slowly as well. And we'll test those blades out.
Hopefully this video helped, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.